we are here with Becca today. And Becca, tell us a little bit about what you're here for today.
I've never really been crazy about the way my nose looked, especially my profile. So we're gonna do some nose threading in it today and see if we can make it look cuter. Like when I smile, it kind of dips down, and so I'd like to lift it up a little bit. It is just a little bit crooked. I'm gonna see if maybe he can straighten that out for me. I have heard great things about the work that they do here, and they're local, so I thought I would check them out.
So based on your concerns, Becca, I think you'd be a great candidate for lifting threads. Do you know anything about those?
Not much, no.
Okay, so it's a minimally invasive procedure. We will numb your nose with some lidocaine, and then we're able to insert what's called a PDO lifting thread. It is a surgical suture that's absorbable, so it'll actually lift the thread, these little articulations or barbs. Sorry, it'll lift the nose with the little articulations and barbs on the thread. And then over the course of 9 months, your body will actually absorb that thread and build collagen, and then you'll have a more lasting result even after the threads have been dissolved. So usually you'll notice a benefit over the course of like 1 to 1.5 years. And then you can always repeat this in the future. It's a pretty well tolerated procedure, so there's not a lot of discomfort after we've numbed you. It's definitely little pinches and a burn while we numb you, but we'll keep you comfortable. What you should expect would be we're going to try to improve the contouring of your nose and have a nice profile. You have a little deviation to the right from, you told me that you fractured your nose in the past, so I'll try to correct some of that asymmetry. And then we're going to build out what's called the columella, We're going to build out the columella, which is from the tip of the nose down to your lip, and we'll help make that more symmetric, give you a better profile. What questions do you have about that?
It sounds great. It sounds like it's going to give me just what I want.
Yay! So in terms of results, it's really great because you'll notice the results immediately. So by the end of our procedure today, you can take a look, and we'll have kind of a conversation. As I do the procedure, you can take a look and we can see if you're happy with the degree of correction.
How much downtime am I going to have?
So the first day or two, you're definitely going to have some tenderness. You may have some swelling and discomfort for a couple weeks, but as the threads integrate with the tissue, that improves quite a bit. And then long term, you shouldn't even notice the threads at all.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
There's always a little bit of pain with the numbing, just a little pinchy, but it was short-lived, and then I didn't feel anything.